for sharp delivery. They are best in town for good services. They are best in town. New Line Unique Logistics World. Now you be Baba. Now you be Baba. Now you I go follow.
Oh, again, Ebinyanoa. Oh, what is all this? I want like this kind of a thing.
You're getting anything about Casayaro. Oh, I feel the building the bank go for China. Be one company, even in Nigeria. Oh, I can't consider 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Oh, when you even about Casma one name. Oh, my Kakinas on a little New Line Unique Logistics World Limited. Global FC Agusi and Ugoroma na Homa Care. A Chorkayagi, Nabatang Bondit in from China to Nigeria. Shoba New Line Unique Logistics World Limited. A Chorkapusi Kodako, a Penaka, Namandoze, Shoba New Line Unique Logistics World Limited. New Line Unique Logistics World Limited. A Pempa, Namboniti, Lafiana, Conte, Nadia Cocojon, and Rekeko, Min Hatus look and you do no Diona, Ubambo, 90% look, the Nambafia. New Line Unique Logistics World Limited. A Papa, Akoromba, Eje, Akuno, ya, defend even a roofing sheet. So them with this, a try a metro type, Ndimaroma, Ndimarikino, 100 years, 200 years, HNG color. How you be Fendoshan at all guarantee? Nambonia high quality, begging, how can you warranty or guarantee? Then we won't ever FCID, Nime Aspanda, back of C13 extension, New Line Plaza, Aspanda Trefe, Igeweta Akalaye, Yabu, phone number, KG Malay, FC Agusi, 070-3275-9302, Goroma, 080-6095-3794, Manager, 081-04-80-9014, Customers Care, 090-3633-6141, New Line Unique Logistics World Limited, ever no.